Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Meta Ads account structure from saved reports step by step clearly. To restore your Meta Ads account structure from saved reports, begin by logging into your Meta Ads Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section on the left-hand sidebar. Locate and click on the Saved Reports option. You will see a list of your previously saved reports. Choose the specific report you want to restore. Click on the report name to open its details. Review the report to ensure it contains the data you need. Next, locate the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select the Restore Structure option. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to restore. Confirm your choice to initiate the restoration process. Wait for the system to complete the operation. Once finished, you will receive a notification indicating success. Navigate to your Ads Manager dashboard. Check that the account structure reflects the restored settings from the report. If necessary, adjust any specific campaign set. Repeat this process for any additional reports you wish to restore. This concludes the restoration of your Meta Ads account structure from saved reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.